Halloween Q&A and fun recap. Let's run with the Halloween infotainment facts. Halloween has taken us on an amazing journey this year. From haunted locations across America to the origins of pumpkins, witches, black cats, and spooky traditions. We've explored the history, myths, and legends that make October 31st so special. Now it is time to wrap up the series with a fun Q&A and recap of all the coolest facts we have uncovered along the way. A question we get a lot is, why do we carve pumpkins? The story begins in Ireland with turnips, which people carved to ward off wandering spirits during Samhain. Legend tells of Stingy Jack, a clever man who tricked the devil and was cursed to roam the earth with only a lantern. When Irish immigrants arrived in America, pumpkins proved easier to carve. And the jack-o'-lantern tradition we know today was born. It's a perfect example of folklore meeting creativity. Another common question, where did trick-or-treating come from? Trick-or-treating has roots in Celtic Samhain rituals, where offerings of food were left outside to appease spirits. Later in medieval England, souling involved people going door to door for small treats in exchange for prayers for the dead. Over time, this evolved into the playful tradition we know today, blending generosity, fun, and a little bit of spooky suspense. Witches, cauldrons, and black cats are classic symbols that continue to capture our imagination. Witches were once thought to have magical powers, capable of cursing or healing. The bubbling cauldron is a symbol that comes from centuries of superstition and folk medicine. Black cats, long associated with witches in Europe, became symbols of mystery and superstition. Today they are playful and iconic figures of Halloween fun. Skeletons and ghosts remind us of the supernatural and the cycle of life and death. Around the world, skulls and spirits have been part of rituals to honor ancestors. In Mexico, the Day of the Dead celebrates colorful skeletons, while in Halloween traditions, skeletons and ghosts connect us to imagination, curiosity, and the thrill of spooky storytelling. Bats, spiders, and haunted houses complete the eerie atmosphere. Bats were historically linked to witches and vampires, while spiders symbolized cunning and fate. Haunted houses became commercial attractions in the 20th century, turning centuries-old folklore into interactive entertainment. The full moon, bare trees, and autumn imagery add cinematic flair, reminding us that nature itself sets the stage for spooky fun. Candy, costumes, and masks have fascinating histories too. Masks were originally worn to disguise oneself from spirits during festivals. Costumes allow us to play roles, embody characters, and bring stories to life. Candy evolved from food offerings for spirits and the souling tradition, transforming into the sweet treat we enjoy today. Every bite, every mask, and every decoration is connected to centuries of tradition. Now let's answer one more fun question. What makes Halloween so enduring? The magic comes from its mix of history, imagination, and community. Every icon, from pumpkins and witches to candy and skeletons, tells a story. Decorations, costumes, and spooky tales bring people together, spark creativity, and allow both children and adults to experience fun, fear, and wonder safely. This series has explored the origins of traditions, the meanings behind symbols, and the stories that make Halloween so unique. From haunted locations to the evolution of celebrations, every fact adds depth to our understanding of the season. Halloween is more than costumes and candy. It's a celebration of imagination, creativity, and connection to centuries of cultural history. So as the lights glow on carved pumpkins, kids rush from door to door, and friends gather for spooky tales, remember the rich tapestry of myths, legends, and fun facts that shape this holiday. Keep exploring, keep imagining, and most importantly, enjoy every moment of the season. Whether you're dressing up, telling stories, or savoring candy, Halloween is a time to celebrate the mysterious, the magical, and the joyful. Thank you for joining us for this Halloween series. From videos 1 to 29, we've explored haunted locations, traditions, symbols, and history. And now you're ready to enjoy Halloween with a new appreciation for its fun and spooky roots. Share your favorite facts with friends and family. Decorate with meaning, and embrace the magic of the season. Like and subscribe to the channel for more infotainment you can run with.